Hello mermaids, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking on this video. My name is Gini. Today in this video I am going to try Kylie Jenner's hair care routine and I have so much to say. Previously I did DIXIT'S hair care routine. Also I tried Priyanka Chopra's hair care brand. So if you haven't watched that video yet, I will highly recommend. I will give the link of those videos in the description box below, as well as I will put the card of those videos at the end of the video. So after watching this video you can watch those as well. Now without wasting any time, let's jump into the video. Alright, so Kylie Jenner uses two types of hair care routine. One is everyday hair care routine and the second one is more like a spa hair care routine. So in this video I'm going to try everyday hair care routine. She washes her hair every day. I will not at all recommend. Whether you have oily hair or dry hair, try to use. If you have oily hair, I will highly recommend to wash your hair 2 to 3 times a week, and if you have dry hair, not more than 2 times a week. So yes, so she washes her hair with the Moroccanoil hydrating shampoo. This is for all hair type. This is color safe, sulfate, phosphate, paraben free. So yes, this is very good, but this is very expensive. I know Kylie Jenner is like one of the biggest or richest celebrity, so she can use this. So this is 2.4 fluid ounce, which means 70 ml for $11. This is very expensive. I cannot use this once in a week. It's little like light pink in color and it smells so good, just like their Moroccanoil like range. So all their products smell same. So if you have ever tried their Moroccanoil serum, so yeah, it has the same smell. So it smells so good, but if you are smell sensitive, I will not recommend. Now let's talk about the performance. This is actually very good. Spoiler alert. So it hydrates your hair, it gives the moisture, it gives shine, it makes your hair look healthy. Yes, it is that good. What I did, I just dilute 3 to 4 drops of this shampoo in the water and then I applied it on my hair. I will highly recommend to dilute your shampoo in water. That way you use like less amount of shampoo and it gives you better and good benefits and result to your hair. So I will highly recommend, and because it is so expensive, I have to dilute this shampoo in water so that I use less shampoo and get more of the results. So yes, it is very hydrating and it lathers so well on my hair. I always try to massage my scalp with the scalp massager. I have started using that scalp massager for, I think now I am using 4 to 5 months now, and it is so good. If you are facing hair fall problem and if your hair is not growing, I will highly recommend. So I will put the link of the scalp massager in the description box below. By the way, not at all sponsored or I am not making any money. Okay, let's talk about this. So this shampoo is actually very good. It hydrates your hair, which it actually did. It nourishes, it gently cleanses your hair, and it is like add smoothness, give shine to your hair and tame down your frizz. Those who don't know, I have frizzy dry hair, so yes, this is actually very hydrating and I always look for the shampoo which are hydrating and moisturizing. So yes, I will highly recommend. If you can afford this shampoo, it is chef's kiss. So after shampoo, she uses the same Moroccanoil hydrating conditioner. The shampoo is very hydrating. You can skip this, but I will highly recommend to use conditioner after using any shampoo. Then you can get the combined effect on your hair. It works very good. If you are following me for long, you might know this, that conditioner generally doesn't impress me, but this conditioner is actually very good. So I will highly recommend. Again, if you are smell sensitive, it has the same Moroccanoil smell. So if you are smell sensitive, I will not recommend this shampoo conditioner range. But yes, if you like this, the smell of the Moroccanoil, you will going to love this. It gives your like hair like very hydrating, moisturizing effect, or like you can feel it. When I was using this conditioner, like at that time only I can see my hair, like I can feel my hair like smooth and very, it's like a baby soft hair, if I can say. So yeah, I will highly recommend. But again, this is very costly, 2.4 fluid ounce for $11. So yeah, if you can splurge, I will highly recommend to use it. Now after shampoo and conditioner, she uses Klorane spray on her hair, but she uses the Mongolian one. I didn't get it anywhere, it was out of stock all over the place. So I got this Nourishing dry hair oil with mango, and this is not good, not at all good. It is like I'm spraying water on my hair. So if you can see, like I have very dry frizzy hair, and I have used like pretty good amount of this, but like it is just I'm spraying water on my hair, not at all good. I don't know what is the matter. It is nourishing oil, but it's like not at all, like for me it is not at all oil. Might be the Mongolian one will be good, but this is not at all good. And again, it is 100 ml for $18. So it is actually very costly for oil. But and the smell of this is very weird. It's like a burnt mango pulp, if I can say. Not at all, like not a big fan of the smell as well. And actually, like after using this, I used this on my damp hair, and it made my hair like very frizzy. After shampoo and conditioner, my hair was like very sleek and very soft, very hydrating. But after using that, see, my hair is like little fuller, and it is like not at all in a good like condition, I can say. It's like I haven't washed my hair. So let me show you my hair like this. So this is my hair. I think camera is capturing, like you can see the shine. It has a shine, but I hope you can see the frizz also on my hair. So I am not at all a big fan of this spray. I will not at all recommend it. Might be if you have the oily hair, this will work. If you have the oily scalp, because it is like not doing anything to my hair, so it might work for the oily hair type. So yeah, this is my hair. And like my end thought, I will highly recommend the shampoo and conditioner, highly recommend. But I will not recommend this, the mango one. They have so many ranges, but the mango one is not at all a fan. The smell is not good. It didn't work like much on my hair. So yeah, this is my hair after trying Kylie Jenner's hair care routine. And yeah, I am impressed. I might use the shampoo and conditioner on like before festivals, before Christmas, or before some party or something, but not every day, not weekly. Let me know your thoughts. If you have tried any of these products before, please let me know. That's it for the video. Hope you liked it, hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, it motivates me a lot. I'm going to see you on my next video. Till then, bye, and keep growing your hair.
You hurt me, I did several times. It hurts to admit that we're no different. I find it hard to commit, but you don't even try. Still I'm better with than without.